Hi guys! Today we are going to make a crochet Christmas sock. In this warm Christmas, you can make it as a gift for friends and family. Before starting this pattern, make sure you are clear about basic crochet skills by watching the beginner's tutorial videos. Let's start with green color yarn. In row 1, make 15 double crochet in a magic ring. Firstly, make a slip stitch in the ring. And then make 2 chains. Now, we are going to make double crochets. Grab the yarn and pull through the yarn from the circle. Now, there are 3 loops on the crochet hook. Grab the yarn and pull through 2 loops. And grab again through another 2. A double crochet is completed. Continue doing 14 double crochets. After finishing it, tighten the magic ring. And make a slip stitch in the first stitch to complete the roll. Row 1 is completed. Make a chain before starting next row. In row 2, make 15 single crochets. Insert the hook into the top of first roll. Grab the yarn and grab again through the loops. A single crochet is completed. Continue doing 14 single crochets. After finishing it, make a slip stitch in the first stitch. Row 2 is completed. Now we need to change into red yarn. To change color, grab the red yarn when you make a chain in the beginning. In row 3, make 4 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat 3 times. Now we can make single crochet as usual. But hide the remaining yarn inside the stitches. After finishing 2 to 3 single crochet, we can cut the yarn. Put back the hook and continue crocheting. Now, make an increase by making 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Repeat this pattern for 2 more times. Slip stitch in the end. Row 3 is completed. In row 4 to row 12, make 1 single crochet in each, totaling 18 single crochets. Make a chain before new roll. Row 12 is completed. Change back to green yarn. In row 13, please follow this pattern. Firstly, make 1 single crochet. Half double crochet in next. Pull through the yarn at once. Double crochet in next 2 stitches. We can cut the yarn. And then, make double crochet increase in next stitch. Go back to double crochet for 2. Half double crochet in next. And single crochet in the last. Turn the work and follow this pattern. Make a chain before you start. Crochet symmetrically with the last roll. After finishing 2 double crochet, we are going to make and decrease. Grab the yarn as usual. But only pull through 2 loops at first. Do it again for next stitch. Only 2 loops. And lastly, grab the yarn through all of them. A decrease is completed. Continue to the remaining steps. After that, change back to red yarn. Turn the work and make single crochet as usual. In row 15, make 1 single crochet in each of the stitches, totaling 18 single crochets. You may hide the yarn inside the stitches. Continue to single crochet in the red part. Make sure you have 18 single crochet in this roll. In row 16 to row 20, make 1 single crochet in each. Row 20 is completed. Now we need to change into white yarn. In row 21 to row 25, make 1 single crochet in each. Row 25 is completed. Make a chain and cut the yarn. Hide the yarn properly. Flip down the white part. Add some snowflake. Put on the keychain. We can also alter the yarn color to make more pattern. I am glad that you make it here. Hope you enjoy crocheting.